Hey, check this out, you guys. Sand. All right, salt on he's just putting it on a metal plate. And then he uses a bow from a violin. Boom. It's crazy. We've known this forever. That's why all the cymatic windows in the churches and all that from the Middle Age, or from before. Watch this. It's crazy. Did you see my messy ass table when it turned black? Sorry guys. I could probably look up some of these videos and just do it, but I'm too lazy and it was in this video, so I just figured I'd do it. So for every note it just changes like magic. Boom, the salt. Look at that shit. That's crazy. Very easy experiment to do it by yourself too. Fucking just take a metal plate and hook it up to your anything that is sound, and it vibrates the plate and creates all these fucking universal patterns. It's insane, man. But it's there. We live in a crazy world. We put limits on our own selves, I think. I thought it was doing a closed caption, but I guess not. Watch this shit. This is crazy. This is how we heal our bodies, man. We can have all of our molecules doing shit